Football fans, are you ready for the FIFA World Cup? Because today, we're building the ultimate football fan collection. Imagine this, it's the final minutes of the FIFA World Cup 2026. Your team scores the winning goal, the crowd explodes, flags are flying everywhere, chants echo through the stadium, and you are fully geared up like a true football fanatic. This isn't just football anymore, it's a worldwide celebration. And if you're planning to enjoy the World Cup the right way in 2026, then this video is going to be your ultimate football fan gear guide. From legendary retro jerseys to stylish fan accessories, we're checking out some of the coolest football products every real fan should own before kickoff begins. And yes, all product links are waiting for you down in the description below, so if something catches your eye, you can grab it instantly. Now get ready, because some of these jerseys are absolutely legendary. Number 1. Adidas Official Argentina 1994 Away Jersey. There are football jerseys, and then there are jerseys that instantly bring back history, emotion, and goosebumps. This Argentina 1994 away jersey from Adidas feels like stepping straight into football's golden era. The moment you see that vibrant blue design with the engineered 3 stripes and the iconic number 10, it screams pure vintage football culture. And honestly, even people who don't watch football would stop and stare at this shirt. What makes this jersey special isn't just the design, it's the feeling. Wearing it feels like carrying a piece of football history on your shoulders. Whether you're watching a late-night match with friends, heading to a football cafe, or just walking through the city, this jersey instantly stands out. The loose 90s fit gives it that old-school football energy that modern jerseys sometimes miss. It feels relaxed, stylish, and incredibly wearable for everyday life. Plus, the one-button polo collar adds that classy retro touch that makes it look premium instead of just another sports shirt. And because it's made from recycled polyester, you're also getting something lightweight, breathable, and comfortable for long match nights. This is the kind of jersey football fans keep for years. Number 2. Argentina Flag Jerseys T-shirt. Not every fan wants a super expensive official jersey. Sometimes you just want something comfortable, stylish, and loud enough to show your passion. That's exactly where this Argentina Flag Jerseys T-shirt shines. The bold 3D Argentina emblem instantly grabs attention. It's the kind of shirt you'd wear during watch parties, local football tournaments, or even while traveling during World Cup season, because it immediately tells people which side you're on. And football fans know this feeling. You're walking somewhere, another Argentina supporter sees your shirt, and suddenly there's this unspoken connection. A smile, a nod, maybe even a random football conversation starts. That's the magic of football culture. The breathable polyester fabric keeps things cool during hot summer days, and the loose fit makes it super easy to wear for long hours. Whether you're jumping around after a goal or spending the entire day outdoors with friends, comfort matters. And because the design is lightweight and casual, it works beyond football too. You can pair it with jeans, joggers, shorts, basically anything. Simple, affordable, but still packed with fan energy. Number 3. Potdemiel AI MESSI 10 Fan Edition Football Jersey. Okay, now this one is for the MESSI fans. And let's be honest, there are millions of them. The AI MESSI 10 Fan Edition jersey feels like a tribute to football greatness itself. Whether you grew up watching Messi destroy defenders in Barcelona, dominate with Argentina, or finally lift the World Cup trophy, this jersey carries emotion. A lot of emotion. The soft cotton and polyester blend makes it really comfortable for daily wear, especially during hot summer weather. It doesn't feel stiff or heavy like some cheap fan shirts online. And because it's available for both kids and adults, families can actually match together during game nights, which honestly looks amazing during World Cup season. Imagine this. The whole family wearing Messi jerseys, snacks everywhere, tension building before kickoff, and everyone screaming after a last-minute goal. That's the kind of memory football creates. This jersey isn't just clothing, it's football passion stitched into fabric. Number 4. GOALMASTERS Brazil 1970 Retro Soccer Jersey. Now we travel to one of the most legendary football teams ever assembled. Brazil 1970. Hell, magic, flair, beautiful football. This retro Brazil jersey from GOALMASTERS feels timeless. The classic yellow instantly brings nostalgic football vibes, even for younger fans who never watched that era live. And that's the beauty of legendary football history, it never dies. The lightweight, breathable fabric makes this jersey feel perfect for modern casual wear while still carrying that vintage soul. You can wear it during matches, street football games, festivals, or even casually because retro football fashion is huge right now. And honestly, retro jerseys have something modern designs often lack: character. This shirt feels emotional. It reminds football fans why they fell in love with the game in the first place: creativity, joy, freedom, and unforgettable moments. If you love football culture beyond just supporting one current team, this jersey deserves attention. Number 5. Nike Brazil Breathable Football Jersey. Now, if you want something more modern and performance-focused, Nike absolutely delivers with this Brazil Dre Fit jersey. This thing looks clean. The hidden details inspired by Brazil's architecture, music, and natural beauty make it feel way more artistic than a typical football shirt. Nike clearly wanted this jersey to celebrate Brazilian identity, not just football. And when you wear it, you can actually feel the difference. The breathable Dre Fit material keeps sweat under control, which is huge during intense matches or outdoor football sessions. Whether you're playing football yourself or just getting emotionally stressed while watching penalties, staying cool matters. And football fans understand this. World Cup matches are not relaxing. Your heart rate becomes dangerous during penalties. This jersey helps you survive the emotional damage. It's soft, lightweight, stylish, and versatile enough to wear casually too. Definitely one of the strongest modern fan jerseys on this list. Number 6. 2026 New Brazilian Flag Print Jersey. This jersey is pure World Cup energy. Bright Brazilian flag graphics, quick drying material, breathable design. It's built for fans who want to stand out in crowds and bring high energy everywhere. And during the World Cup, atmosphere matters. The loud colors, the chants, the excitement, the street celebrations, this shirt fits perfectly into that environment. What's nice is that it works for both training sessions and casual fan wear. So whether you're actually playing football with friends or just celebrating match day, it feels practical. The quick drying fabric is also super useful if you live somewhere hot or humid. Nobody wants to feel sticky while watching football all day. And because it's unisex, groups of friends can wear matching designs during tournaments, parties, or public screenings. That instantly makes the whole experience more fun. Number 7. Nike Men's France Jersey. France fans, this one is pure class. The 2026 France home stadium jersey delivers that perfect mix of elegance, modern style, and premium football culture. Nike kept the design sleek and minimal, giving it a look that feels just as fashionable off the pitch as it does during match day. And honestly, France kits always carry that effortless, cool energy. The Dre Fit technology keeps the jersey lightweight, breathable, and comfortable, whether you're watching a tense 90-minute match, celebrating with friends, or wearing it all day out in the city. The relaxed fit also makes it easy to style casually without looking overly sporty or restrictive. What makes this jersey really special is its versatility. You can wear it to the stadium, at the airport, out for dinner, or simply layered under a jacket for a clean everyday look. Few football jerseys manage to feel this stylish beyond the game itself. Even better, it's made with recycled polyester fibers, making it a more modern and sustainable choice for fans who care about both fashion and the future. Stylish, comfortable, premium. Exactly the kind of jersey you'd expect from a football powerhouse like France. Number 8. France Classic Football Jersey. For fans looking for something more affordable and purely football-inspired, this France Classic Mbappé 10 jersey is a fantastic choice, especially for younger supporters. Kylian Mbappé has become one of the biggest stars in world football, and his impact on the new generation is incredible. Young fans everywhere dream of playing like him, copying his celebrations, and proudly wearing the iconic number 10. This jersey brings that passion and excitement to life perfectly. Made from lightweight, quick-drying polyester, it's designed for comfort during football training, casual outings, or everyday wear. The breathable fabric makes it easy to move around in, which is perfect for energetic fans always on the go. And during the World Cup, jerseys like this become more than just clothing, they become part of unforgettable memories. Street football matches with friends, crowded public screenings, late-night celebrations after big wins, and endless photos shared online. Those moments stay with you forever. Years later, even a single jersey can instantly bring all those memories rushing back. Number 9. Icon Sports United States officially licensed U.S. soccer shirt. Now let's talk about USA football fans. With the World Cup coming to North America, fan culture in the United States is about to explode bigger than ever before. This officially licensed U.S. Soccer Game Day shirt feels sporty, clean, and incredibly wearable for everyday life. What makes this shirt stand out is comfort. The breathable polyester material and moisture-wicking treatment make it perfect for long, active days, whether you're at a stadium, outdoor watch party, gym, or even just traveling around during tournament season. And unlike some jerseys that only work during matches, this shirt blends nicely into casual fashion too. It feels athletic without trying too hard. And because it carries official US soccer branding, it instantly gives that authentic fan identity football supporters love. Number 10. GenZGenji USA Football Jersey. This Supporters Edition USA jersey has a totally different vibe. It feels more community-driven, more passionate, more hardcore fan. The bold white, blue, and red color combination instantly gives classic American football atmosphere while still looking modern enough for 2026. And honestly, this is the kind of jersey people wear when they're ready to scream for 90 minutes straight. The lightweight breathable polyester keeps airflow moving, which becomes very important once the stress of knockout matches starts kicking in. And the reinforced seams are actually a nice bonus because fan jerseys go through a lot. Celebrations, jumping, traveling, washing, football nights, you need durability. It's also a fantastic gift idea for football lovers because supporter jerseys feel personal. They represent loyalty, emotion, and national pride. Number 11. PUMA Men's Portugal Short Sleeve Jersey. Portugal fans already know, this jersey is built for big football moments. From the first look, it has that bold, confident energy Portugal kits are famous for. PUMA did an excellent job blending performance with modern style. The sleek design, official team details, and lightweight mesh panels create a true matchday feel while still being comfortable enough for casual everyday wear. And let's be honest, Portugal jerseys always have a special aura. Maybe it's the country's incredible football legacy. Maybe it's the influence of Cristiano Ronaldo. Or maybe it's simply the passion of Portugal supporters around the world. Either way, Portugal kits always manage to stand out on and off the pitch. The dry cell moisture wicking technology also makes a huge difference during intense matches, summer weather, or crowded watch parties. Staying cool during those stressful extra time moments matters more than people think. Another great touch is the use of recycled materials throughout the jersey. It gives the kit a more modern feel and shows how football apparel is moving toward a more sustainable future without sacrificing quality or style. Number 12. Portugal Classic Ronaldo 7 3D Print Signed Football Jersey. Now this jersey right here, this one is made for the true CR7 supporters. The fan base behind Cristiano Ronaldo is massive, passionate, and spread across every corner of the football world. And this Portugal 7 jersey captures that energy perfectly. The modern round neck fit gives it a sleek, athletic look, while the detailed sleeve accents and strong stitching help it feel more polished and premium than your average football shirt. But for most fans, this jersey means much more than just style. Ronaldo's journey inspired millions of people around the world. Supporters watched him evolve from a talented young winger into one of the greatest football players of all time. His mindset, confidence, celebrations, and unforgettable moments shaped an entire generation of football fans. That's why wearing the number 7 still feels legendary. The lightweight fabric and breathable material also make this jersey perfect for long summer match days, football watch parties, or outdoor kickabouts with friends. It's comfortable enough to wear all day while still giving that iconic Portugal football look. A perfect choice for loyal Portugal fans who still proudly represent the CR7 era. Number 13. Flag Bucket Hat Men and Women. Now let's move beyond jerseys for a second, because true football fans know one thing. Accessories complete the experience. And these reversible national flag bucket hats are honestly such a fun addition for World Cup season. The reversible design is awesome because you basically get two styles in one hat. One moment you're rocking your country's colors boldly, next moment you switch the look completely. Perfect for travel, outdoor screenings, stadium visits, beach parties, or football festivals. And during hot summer tournaments, sun protection actually matters more than people think. Nobody wants to get destroyed by the sun before halftime. The fact that it's unisex also makes it perfect for groups, couples, or families trying to build a full fan outfit together. Small accessory, big atmosphere boost. Number 14. Football World Cup hand flags. Okay, this is where things get really fun. Because football without flags just doesn't feel complete. These World Cup hand flags instantly transform any room, party, or stadium experience into something electric. The moment people start waving flags after goals, the atmosphere changes completely. And if you've ever watched football with passionate fans, you already know how powerful that energy feels. The 48-piece set is especially cool for watch parties, CAFs, schools, football clubs, or community events because everyone can grab a flag and represent their team. It creates instant interaction. And honestly, football is at its best when people celebrate together. These little flags may seem simple, but emotionally, they add so much to the experience. Number 15. Country's flag-style sunglasses. And to wrap things up, we've got the ultimate World Cup party accessory. These national flag sunglasses are fun, flashy, energetic, and made for football fans who love celebrating every moment of the game. The second you walk into a watch party wearing these, people notice instantly. They bring that loud, festival-style football energy that makes World Cup season feel so special. The colorful country-themed designs make them perfect for fan gatherings, stadium events, celebration photos, and social media posts with friends. They're lightweight, comfortable, and honestly just impossible not to have fun with. Because the best World Cup memories usually happen beyond the pitch. It's the reactions after dramatic goals, the chants echoing around the room, the celebrations that last all night, the friends, the family, and the unforgettable football moments shared together. That's what makes tournaments like this magical. The FIFA World Cup only comes around once every 4 years, so fans want to enjoy every second of it. And the right accessories make those moments feel even more exciting and memorable. Whether you're cheering for Argentina, Brazil, France, Portugal, United States, or just celebrating football with friends, fan gear like this adds extra personality and atmosphere to every match day. And remember, all the products featured in this video are linked in the description below if you want to check them out. Now it's your turn. Which item from this list was your favorite? And which country do you think will dominate the 2026 World Cup? Leave your answers in the comments, like the video if you're excited for football season, and subscribe for more football content, fan gear, and World Cup hype. Because the road to the World Cup has only just begun.